Take a look at this channel with over 13 million subscribers, featuring simple lo-fi chill hop music and a popular video with nearly 668 million views. According to Social Blade, it has 114 uploads and generates over $132.4 thousand per month. You can learn how to create and monetize your own chill hop videos with this step-by-step guide. From generating instrumental videos to creating your video and setting up your channel, you'll soon be on your way to earning a significant income. Stick around until the end of the video for some additional tips on how to increase your earnings by posting your video on other popular platforms. Let's get started. Name your channel. Use the Chat GPT to suggest some names for your channel. Choose a name. I like this one. Choose your niche. Ask Chat GPT to give you some ideas for niches. For example, you could choose Lo-Fi Chill Hop. Remember to save your chosen name and niche for later. Step 2, generate an image using an image generator such as Leonardo AI. Choose an image generator you prefer. For this example, we will use Leonardo AI, which is free. Select the anime pastel dream, your featured model. Change the aspect ratio to 16:9. Enter your prompt. If you're not sure what to write, feel free to use the following prompt. Once you're satisfied with the image generated, hit the Generate button. Finally, download your image. Step 3, generating chill hop beats for your channel. Now that you're ready to make your chill hop beats, it's important to remember that the beats are the heart of your channel. To help you create the perfect track, we suggest using Mubert. You can find the link in the video description. Once you're on the site, enter a prompt or select from a variety of genres, moods, or activities. For this demonstration, let's choose Chill Hop under the Generate. Set the duration to 3 minutes and click Generate Track. While you're waiting for the track to finish, let's take a look at the pricing options. There are 4 plans available: Ambassador, Creator, Pro, and Business. If you're just starting out, the Ambassador plan gives you 25 free tracks per month. For those taking it seriously, the Creator plan costs $11.69 per month and gives you up to 500 tracks. Pro costs $32.49 per month for 1,000 tracks. You can find a full breakdown below. If you're starting with $0, we suggest creating and posting your videos to get monetized. Once you do, you can start paying for one of these other packages. Now let's see if the audio is done. There it is. Let's have a listen. Let's download and use the file with these simple steps. To download the track, create a free account or log in if you already have one. Once you're logged in, download the file by clicking on it. While the track is downloading, take a look at the other file you generated earlier. To download this file, you'll need to provide your channel link to clear any copyright claims. After you've provided the necessary information, click Continue. Finally, use your Ambassador license by following the instructions on the screen. When using our music in your video, social media post, NFT, or podcast, be sure to include a link to Mubert.com in the description. Copy the link, agree to the terms, and download the file. Remember, the goal is to get monetized as soon as possible, so post your videos and get approved before subscribing to Mubert. Step 4. Are you ready to make a video? Follow these 4 easy steps using CapCut, a free online tool. Create a free account. If you're new to CapCut, upload your desired image and audio files. Drag and drop the audio file into the timeline, then insert the image. Add an effect to enhance your video and export the final version. Step 5. It's time to create your YouTube channel. If you already have a Google account, simply sign in. If not, creating one is a breeze. Navigate to YouTube, hover over your user icon located at the top right-hand corner, and select Create a Channel. Next, provide a YouTube channel name and channel handle. Utilize the channel name you generated with ChatGPT, then add your channel handle. After inputting the required information, click Create. Step 6. Uploading your video. It's time to showcase your masterpiece on your channel. This is the first step towards your sweet earnings. Begin by uploading your edited chill hop video to your YouTube channel. But wait, there's more. Did you know that by posting the same video on TikTok, Facebook Reels, and Instagram Reels, you can increase your earnings? It's like magic, but easier. All you need to do is set up those accounts. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Before I go, Please share your experience with creating a LoFi channel with AI in the comments section below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and results. Until next time, happy creating.